Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. So today, with the continuation of the previous video, I am here with a new topic called as agents and environment in the AI. In the previous video, we saw different core concepts that is related with the intelligent agents, the introduction of AI, what is AI, what is the evolution of AI, and what are all the different core concepts of AI. The core concepts related will be machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and the natural language processing, etc. So in the continuation of the previous video, we will be having some of the interesting topics, and we will be meeting you out with different topics, that is agents in AI. So what is this agents in AI? So in English term or in generally, who is an agent? Agent is nothing but a midman person, right? That midman person will get you the information from somewhere you wanted to, and then it will deliver the information that you actually wanted to deliver in an efficient way. Likewise, in this, agent is nothing but a kind of a perceiver who wanted to convey the things in an efficient manner. See, it can be a midman person that can get the informations from the different kinds of environment. The environments can be like the different kinds of data that you wanted to perceive, and it will react accordingly. Say for example, if you have a sensor or something, okay, that sensor is like it will act, or okay, you can have the humidity sensor, which is actually there in all our mobiles. Okay, so what it does is it actually senses the different kinds of temperatures based on the humidity around, and it will act through the different and it will give you the information, correct? So this is nothing but the agent. So an agent, it can be a robot, or it can be a software program, or it can be any kind of human being, or it can be a sensor, or whatever it is. So what is this perception? Perception is nothing but it is an agent, okay, that receives the informations about the different kinds of environment through different sensors. So what can this agent do, or what is the action provided by this is nothing but based on the different kinds of information, it will receive different kinds of process, and it will act accordingly through the sensors. Okay, these actions can either be performed using effectors, which can actually involve the motors or screens or speakers or any kind of mobile phones or mathematical instruments or whatever it is. Okay, so now in this you have different types of agents, that is nothing but simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agents, utility based agents, and learning agents. I will explain you one by one, like what is what and what is the actual process that is involved with this. The first thing is the simple reflex agent. So it is nothing but it is it reacts based on the current perceptual input without considering the past experience. That is, whatever is happening in the current field, it will act accordingly, and it will not act the process based on the past experience. Okay, now the next thing is the model based reflex agents. Okay, this model based reflex agent is something like it will maintain an internal state, okay, based on the past experience or the decisions that is made by it. Goal based agent is nothing but it will be performing some actions for the for some of the goal that is involved in it. Utility based agent is nothing but when it is given some utility, or when it is given some sensor or something, it will make the fullest maximized benefit from the given utility. Learning agent is nothing but based on the previous experiences or something like that, it will act accordingly and it will have. So now based on the environment in AI, you have different types of environment, that is fully observable, partially observable, deterministic, stochastic, episodic, and sequential. So what is this fully observable? Fully observable is nothing but it will be carrying out the process for the entire state. Okay, so the agents will perform or perceive the information for the entire state of the environment. Partially observable is agents have only the limited information and it will act accordingly. Deterministic is nothing but it will make the action based on the outcomes, probabilistic outcomes. Stochastic is it will be performing the action based on the uncertainty or something like that. Episodic is it is independent to each other and it will perform the actions independently. Sequential is one by one it will do the process. So you have different properties, that is static versus dynamic, discrete versus continuous. Static is something which is in a static way, in a particular, or it is in a fixed manner. Dynamic is you will have different changes. Discrete and continuous is, discrete you will be having some of the finite values, continuous you will be having some of the upliftment process. Interaction is how the agents interacts with the other platforms. So this is all about the agents and environment in AI. I hope that you understood the topic. So I will meet you in the next video with some other topic. Thank you.